Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today we're going to talk about a French structure we use all the time in conversation. The first one is il y a, followed by a noun with qui and ou and a verb. So all it means is some, and the word qui introduces more information about the noun. You can use that with almost any noun. Now let's look at some examples. Now for people and things, we're going to use qui. Il y a des gens qui adorent le café. Il y a des gens qui adorent le café. Some people love coffee. This is how we say it in French. We don't say certaines personnes adorent le café. You can, but it's not how we say it in conversation. Il y a des gens qui adorent le café is a lot more natural. Il y a des choses qui sont difficiles à dire. Il y a des choses qui sont difficiles à dire. Some things are difficult to say. Il y a des livres qui changent une vie. Il y a des livres qui changent une vie. Some books change your life. Now we're going to use the same structure for places and time, but this time we're going to use où instead of qui. Il y a quelques endroits où j'aimerais bien aller. Il y a quelques endroits où j'aimerais bien aller. There are a few places where I'd like to go. Il y a des jours où rien ne va. Il y a des jours où rien ne va. Some days everything goes wrong. Il y a des fois où j'aimerais bien m'échapper. Il y a des fois où j'aimerais bien m'échapper. Sometimes I'd like to escape. Now you can, of course, use the same structure with j'ai instead of il y a to make the sentence a bit more personal. For instance, j'ai des amis qui ne pourront jamais partir à la retraite. J'ai des amis qui ne pourront jamais partir à la retraite. Some of my friends will never be able to retire. You see how we made it more personal by saying j'ai, some of my friends, not just some people. Now, this is a vocabulary trick. Instead of using des choses, try using des trucs, if the conversation is very familiar. Il y a des trucs qui me rendent dingue. Some things make me crazy or drive me crazy. Des objets. Il y a des objets qui ne sont pas à moi ici. Some of these objects aren't mine. Des situations. Il y a des situations qui semblent impossibles. Some situations seem impossible. Des habitudes. Il y a des habitudes qui nuisent à la santé. Some habits are detrimental to health. Des problèmes. Il y a des problèmes qui m'inquiètent. Some problems or some issues worry me. Des raisons. Il y a des raisons qui m'empêchent de parler. Some reasons stop me from speaking. Now the second structure you can use, it's with que. It's the same one, il y a plus noun with a que this time, and then followed by a subject and a verb, not just the verb. Again, it means some, but this time the que refers to the object, not the subject. You can use it with almost any noun for people and things. For places, we still use où. So let's have a look. With people and things, we use que. Il y a des gens que je ne comprends pas. Il y a des gens que je ne comprends pas. I don't understand some people. Il y a des choses que je voudrais changer. Il y a des choses que je voudrais changer. I'd like to change certain things. Il y a des livres que tout le monde devrait lire. Il y a des livres que tout le monde devrait lire. Everybody should read certain books. Again, that structure works with j'ai. J'ai des amis que je vois tous les week-ends. I have some friends that I see every weekend. In English, you don't need the that, but you do need it in French. Again, let's use some alternative words to des choses. Des trucs. Il y a des trucs que je ne supporte pas. There are things I can't stand. Des objets. Il y a des objets que je voudrais vendre. I'd like to sell certain objects. Des situations. Il y a des situations que je préfère éviter. There are situations I'd rather avoid. Des habitudes. Il y a des habitudes qu'on devrait changer. We should change certain habits. Des problèmes. Il y a des problèmes que personne ne veut résoudre, ou ne peut résoudre. Some problems nobody can solve. Ou des raisons. Il y a des raisons que je ne peux pas expliquer. There are reasons I can't explain. Just a quick reminder about the que and the qui. I made a couple of videos on this already. But bear in mind that the qui refers to the noun that does the action. Il y a des gens qui parlent. Who's talking? Des gens. So there's direct relation between des gens and parle. For que, someone else does the action. Il y a des gens que je connais. It's not the people doing the knowing, it's me. So we've changed here. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.